Hello everyone. In this video we will learn the +4 formula of house of 5 and we will learn its application using fingers and abacus. If we are doing finger maths or abacus maths and wants to add 4 but we don't have enough lower beads on abacus or fingers on hands, then how we will add 4 indirectly? Remember one thing, sign of friends are always opposite. If we are adding, then we will subtract friend, and if we are subtracting, we will add friend. To add 4 indirectly, we will apply the formula. +4 is equals to +5 minus 1. Here, +4 is our problem, +5 is house and -1 is friend of +4. As when we add 4 and 1 together, it results in 5. Let's practice application of +4 formula on units. Let's take an example. If we want to add 2 and 4 together on abacus, how we will do that? First, we will place 2, means 2 lower beads are moved up to touch the calculation bar on units rod. Now, to add 4, we do not have enough lower beads. We have 2 lower beads left and we have upper bead which has the value 5. So, we cannot directly add 4. To add 4 indirectly, we will apply the formula, which is to add 4, we add 5 and -1. So we will move upper bead down on units rod for adding 5 and then we will move one lower bead away from the calculation bar. As a result, we get upper bead and one lower bead touching the calculation bar. So our answer is 6. Let's take a same example for fingers. If we want to add 2 and 4 together, how we will do that on fingers? First, we will place 2, means we will open 2 fingers on our right hand. Now to add 4, we do not have enough fingers left. We have only 2 fingers and thumb which has the value 5. So we cannot directly add 4. To add 4 indirectly on fingers, we will apply the formula, which is to add 4, we add 5 and -1. We will open thumb on right hand and we will close one finger on right hand. As a result, we get thumb and one finger, which represents the value 6. So our answer is 6. This is how we apply +4 formula on units while using abacus and fingers also. Let's take an example of +4 formula on tens. If we want to add 30 and 40 together, the formula would be to add 40, we will add 50 and -10. The basic formula of +4 is same, but as we are doing tens, so we will convert the formula according to tens. Let's see if we want to add 30 and 40 together. First, we will place 30 on tens, that is, we will move 3 lower beads up to touch the calculation bar on tens rod. Now to add 40, we do not have enough lower beads. We only have one lower bead which has a value 10 and we have upper bead which has a value 50. So we cannot directly add 40. Now to add 40 indirectly, we will add 50. We will move upper bead down and subtract 10. We will move one lower bead away from the calculation bar. As a result, we get upper bead and 2 lower beads touching the calculation bar. So our answer would be 70. Let's apply this formula on fingers as well. If we want to add 30 and 40 together on our fingers, how we will do that? Let's see and practice with me. First, we will open 3 fingers on left hand, which represents the value 30. Now to add 40, we do not have enough fingers left. We have one finger which has a value 10 and we have thumb which has a value 50. So we cannot directly add 40. To add 40 indirectly, we will apply the formula. We add 50 and minus 10. We will open thumb on left hand and we will close one finger on left hand. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers on left hand, which represents the value 70. So our answer is 70. Let's take an example of application of +4 formula on different values. Let's see if we want to add 25 and 42 together on abacus. How we will do? First, we will place 25. Means we will move 2 lower beads up on tens rod and 1 upper bead down on units rod to represent the value 25. Now to add 42. To add 40 on tens, we do not have enough lower beads. We have only 2 lower beads left and we have upper bead on tens rod. So we cannot directly add 40 on tens. We will apply the formula. First, we will add 50 and subtract 10. That is, we will move upper bead down on tens rod and we will move away one lower bead from the calculation bar. Now to add 2 on units, we can easily directly add 2 on units as we have enough lower beads available on units rod. So we will move 2 lower beads up on calculation bar for units rod. As a result, we get upper bead and 1 lower bead touching the calculation bar on tens rod and upper bead and 2 lower beads touching the calculation bar on units rod, which represents the value 67. So our answer is 67. Let's take a same example of 25 and 42 on our hands. If we want to add 25 and 42, first we will place 25, means we will open 2 fingers on left hand and thumb on right hand. Now to add 42. As we do not have enough fingers on our left hand, we have only 2 fingers and thumb. 2 fingers represent the value 20 and thumb has a value 50. So we cannot directly add 40 on tens. So we will apply the formula. We will open thumb on left hand and close one finger on left hand. Now to add 2 of 42, we can directly add on right hand as we have enough fingers available. So we will open 2 fingers on our right hand. As a result, we get thumb and 1 finger on left hand, which represents the value 60, and thumb and 2 fingers on right hand, which represents the value 7. So answer would be 67. Let's practice application of +4 formulas while using fingers. Don't forget to follow rules of finger maths. Let's start. First question is 4. First we will open 4 fingers plus 4. To add 4, we do not have any finger left. So we will apply the formula, which is to add 4 indirectly, we add 5 and minus 1. So we will open thumb and close one finger on right hand. Minus 6. To subtract 6, we will close thumb and one finger. Plus 4. To add 4, we do not have enough fingers. So we will again apply the formula, which is plus 5 minus 1. Next is plus 1. We will open one more finger. As a result, we get thumb and 2 fingers, which represents the value 7. So our answer is 7. Make 0. Next question. 2 plus 4 plus 3 minus 5 plus 4. Answer 8. Make 0. Next question. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 again minus 6. Answer 3. Ready for next question? Next question is for tens. So we will practice on left hand. Ready? 30 plus 40 plus 20 minus 50 plus 40. Answer 80. Next question, make 0. 70 minus 60 plus 40 plus 20 minus 10. Answer 60. Let's practice application of +4 formula for different values. Let's start. First question is 24. We will open 2 fingers on left hand and 4 fingers on right hand. Plus 14. We can directly open 1 finger on left hand and we cannot directly add 4 on right hand. So we will apply the formula, which is plus 5 minus 1. We will open thumb and close 1 finger on right hand. Now to add 51, we will directly add 51 as thumb represents the value 50 on left hand. We will open the thumb of left hand and 1 finger on right hand. Minus 62, we will close thumb and 1 finger on left hand and 2 fingers on right hand. Minus 15, we will close 1 finger from left hand and we will close thumb from right hand. As a result, we get 12. 1 finger on left hand and 2 fingers on right hand. Next question, make 0. 32 plus 54 plus 13 minus 76 plus 24. Answer 47. Make 0. Let's start next question. 43 plus 54 minus 76 plus 12 plus 54. Answer is 87. Next question. 27 plus 41 plus 21 minus 87 plus 31. Answer 33. Next question is 79 minus 56 plus 24 plus 42 minus 74. Answer 15. Let's practice same sets of questions on abacus as well. First question is 4. First we will place 4 on abacus. We will move 4 lower beads upward to touch the calculation bar on units rod. Plus 4 again. To add 4, we do not have any lower bead left. We only have upper bead which has a value 5, so we cannot directly add 4. To add indirectly, we will apply the formula, which is we add 5 and minus 1. So we will move upper bead down and 1 lower bead downwards away from the calculation bar. Minus 6. To subtract 6, we will move upper bead upward and 1 lower bead downward. Plus 4. To add 4 again, we do not have enough lower beads to add 4 directly, so we will apply the formula. We will add 5 and minus 1 plus 1. We will move 1 lower bead towards the calculation bar. Answer. As a result, we get upper bead and 2 lower beads touching the calculation bar, which represents the value 7. So our answer is 7. Make 0. Take next example. 2 plus 4 plus 3 minus 5 plus 4. Answer 8. Make your abacus 0. Next question. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 minus 6. Answer 3. Next question. Next question we have is of tens. So we will move beads on tens rod. 30 plus 40 plus 20 minus 50 plus 40. Answer 80. Next question. 70 minus 60 plus 40 plus 20 minus 10. Answer 60. Let's practice few questions of different values on abacus. Make your abacus 0. Let's start. First question is 24 plus 14 plus 51 minus 62 minus 15. Answer 12. Make your abacus 0. Next question. 32 plus 54 plus 13 minus 76 plus 24. What's the answer? Answer is 47. Don't forget to make your abacus 0. Next question. 43 plus 54 minus 76 plus 12 plus 54. Answer 87. Two more questions. 27 plus 41 plus 21 minus 87 plus 31. Answer 33. Last question is 79 minus 56 plus 24 plus 42 minus 74. Answer 15. In this video, we have learned in detail about +4 formula, and we have thoroughly practiced application of +4 formula on fingers and abacus as well. Hopefully, the topic of +4 formula is clear to everyone.